Expecting rain in the next couple of days? Now is the time to plant your carrot seeds. Carrot seeds need even moisture to germinate, so plant before a rain. Another thing you can do when you're seeding your carrots is to water the soil well and put a cardboard kneeling pad or honestly any type of board on top. Carrots take between 14 and 21 days to germinate, so be patient. When you're getting close to that 14-day period, pick up your cover and take a look for that little row of dots, which means your carrots are emerging. And at that point, take your covers off and water well and watch your little guys emerge. You can also grow carrots from started seeds. So keep in mind, each one of these little guys is a carrot. You carefully remove each one and plant. This part is going to be the carrot and this part is the top. Carrots need full sun, well-drained soil, and a really nice, light, airy soil. Make sure when you're planting your carrot seeds, you thin to about 3 inches in between, and you can actually replant your thinnings if you're very careful. So leave yourself an empty row, replant your thinning. Great companion plants to plant with your carrots are lettuce, onions or chives, and pole beans. And what I like to plant in between my carrot rows are alyssum because they attract a ton of beneficial insects.